In this video, we are going to talk about Nothing Phone 2 design leaks rumors. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. The Nothing Phone 1 was among the most impressive phones to launch in 2022. While the device failed to find a spot in our list of the best budget phones, it stood out with its unique and premium design. Considering the Phone 1 was Nothing's first smartphone, the company managed to nail a lot of things, including the bloatware-free experience and performance. This does not mean the phone is perfect, though its subpar camera performance, limited availability, and other minor issues negatively affect the overall user experience. For 2023, the Carl Pei-founded company is gearing up to launch the Nothing Phone 2, its second smartphone. Learning from its mistakes, Nothing should get a lot more things right this time around. This could make the Phone 2 among the most impressive phones to launch this year. With an announcement finally on the horizon, here's what we know about the Nothing Phone 2 so far and what you should expect from it. Nothing Phone 2. Design and specs. The Nothing Phone 1's unique design is its key selling point. Transparent rear glass gives you a look inside the phone, but unlike the Nothing Ear 1, the company covered all individual components with white or black plates. This is a better approach than exposing all the internal components, as it gives the back a cleaner look. And then there are the LED strips that Nothing added to the rear of the Phone 1 to make it stand out. Leaked renders of the Nothing Phone 2. For the Phone 2, we're expecting the company to continue with the same design language without making any significant modifications. There have not been any rumors or leaks on this front so far. In an interview in January 2023, though, Nothing CEO Carl Pei revealed that the Phone 2 will be more premium. That's not to say Nothing is new this year, of course. Rather, Nothing is focusing on refining the look and feel it debuted last year. Considering most US consumers never got the chance to see this original model, it makes plenty of sense. In comparing the original model with leaked images of the Nothing Phone 2, you'll notice some slight changes, including dual LED placements around the camera placement, compared to a single C-shaped LED on the original, and multiple glyph pieces surrounding the center of the phone, presumably for additional color effects. Nothing Phone 2 versus Phone 1 comparison renders. A leaked image of the Nothing Phone 2 compared to its predecessor. If you're looking for something new, though, consider this USB-C cable, which has been made transparent this year to better match the phone. Internally, the Phone 1 is a mid-range device featuring a Snapdragon 778G plus SoC, 8GB RAM, and a 4500 mAh battery. This year, Nothing has confirmed its plan to use a Snapdragon 8 series chipset on the Phone 2. While the company did not reveal the exact chip's name in its announcement, a Qualcomm executive inadvertently referred to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 on LinkedIn, something later confirmed by Carl Pei himself. Nothing Phone 2 5K2 scaled. While not Qualcomm's latest and greatest SoC, the 8 Plus Gen 1 is the company's 2022 flagship chip and is still found inside some of the best Android phones, including new devices like the Moto Razr Plus. Plus, it performs substantially better than Nothing Phone 1's Snapdragon 778G. This move will also allow Nothing to price the Phone 2 much more competitively than if it had used Qualcomm's newest flagship SoC, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. A leak suggests the Nothing Phone 2 could feature a bigger 5000 mAh battery along with 8GB or 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. For comparison, the Nothing Phone 1 has a 4500 mAh battery, with only its top-end configuration shipping with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Nothing Phone 2. Cameras. The Nothing Phone 1's cameras were never its strong suit. While the young company has rolled out multiple software updates to improve the camera performance, it is nowhere near as good as the Phone 1's primary competitors, the Google Pixel 6a and the Samsung Galaxy A53, to say nothing of their more recent successors. The rear shooters fall apart while capturing photos in challenging situations, including low-light environments. Since Nothing plans to make the Phone 2 a more premium offering, the company must focus on its camera performance. There's no information on the phone's camera setup yet. However, the more powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, a faster ASP, and optimized image processing should allow the Phone 2 to capture notably better photos than its predecessor. Nothing Phone 2. Software. Nothing Phone 1 Android 13 Beta Hands-On Hero. Besides its unique design, Nothing's Glyph interface remains among the key selling points for the Phone 1. At launch, the Nothing OS experience was quite buggy, but the company has worked on resolving all the reported issues with software updates. The Phone 2 should continue to run on Nothing OS, but expect major improvements in Tau. While an outsourced development team made the initial Nothing OS builds for the Phone 1, Carl Pei has hired many of the Oxygenos team from OnePlus to work on Nothing OS. The results of Nothing getting a dedicated team to work on Nothing OS are already visible. Despite coming nearly 6 months after the OS public release, the Phone 1's Android 13-based Nothing OS 1.5 update delivers a more stable experience with improved battery life. This bodes well for the Nothing Phone 2 and its software experience too. You can expect the phone to pack several new software features, deliver a more stable, bug-free experience, and offer improved software support. A leak says the phone will have a virtual RAN-like feature where you can use a part of the internal storage as swap memory. Nothing Phone 2, price and release date. The Nothing Phone 1 debuted in mid-July of last year, and it looks like its successor is headed for a similar announcement. The company confirmed plans to showcase the Nothing Phone 2 on July 11, 2023 at 11 a.m. ET, likely with a live stream hosted on its website. Nothing Phone 2 has some stiff competition. If you think the Nothing Phone 2 will not live up to its hype or could be too expensive in your country, consider checking out the Google Pixel 7a. Google's mid-range Pixel packs significant upgrades this year, including a new 50MP primary camera, a more efficient Tensor D2 chip, and a 90Hz OLED panel. It's a tough time to be a fresh competitor in the mid-range space, but if anyone can handle the heat, it's Nothing. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.